It is day 2 of the solo house flipping series, and Django woke me up at 5 a.m. this morning and cannot wait to get back on the job. Today's goal is to get this basement demoed out. This existing wall around the utility room was flimsy and had this ugly paneling on it, and it had to go. It was a rough start to the morning as I fat-fingered my phone and clicked slow-mo instead of time-lapse, so you missed half the demo, but you get the gist of it. I usually don't do anything in the basement until later in the flip process, but this was early on a Saturday morning and I wanted to keep the noise level down. There was a bunch of cobwebs all over, and the previous owner did not have the dryer hooked up correctly, so there was also a bunch of lint intertwined in it. It smelled like a laundromat down here. I wanted to take the time to vacuum it all up. The next step is get rid of all these old wires and cables. For some reason, there was 2 TV providers with different cables all throughout the house, so it had to go. I took extra precaution to make sure I didn't cut the thermostat wire or the doorbell wire. A quick sweep and vacuum, and this basement's already looking so much better. I have big plans for this basement to add value to this house. I'm going to be digging an egress window to add an extra bedroom with a walk-in closet, and also an additional full bathroom down here. What do you think? Is it looking better down here? Django gives me the wink of approval. Now it's time to start demoing this bathroom. As you can see, it's pretty narrow between the vanity and the closet. The linen closet is about 24 inches deep, and I plan on taking around 12 inches off of it to open up this walk space. This bathroom was remodeled probably within the past 10 years, and it wasn't in terrible shape, but I knew a new bathroom would be attractive to a buyer. In house flipping, you have to be okay with getting dirty and touching gross things. I found some used Q-tips underneath that existing vanity, and I'll tell you what, that'll wake you up more than your morning coffee. Now it's time to demo out the tile around the shower. I used my oscillating tool to cut around it with the hopes to chunk it out rather than having to do smaller pieces. I was surprised to find that the studs on the backside of this wall were flat. I was going to do a niche the length of the wall, but that's going to be possible anymore. I'll have to do some corner shelves instead. Now it's time to get this tub out of here. I used my Sawzall with a metal blade to cut it in half. You could also use a grinder with a cutoff wheel, but this is just the method that I'm comfortable with. It took a little bit of additional effort to separate the 2 pieces, but I was able to get it out of there. Next step is to demo out this tile floor. It's a pretty labor-intensive job. I'm going to demo out the tile around the toilet. I like to keep a workable toilet there as long as possible, just in case that morning coffee runs through me. And I'll tell you what, this tile was not going to give up without a fight. Finally, I was able to demo out all the tile. It's time to get this bathroom cleaned up. Nothing will stand between Django and his midday naps. And I'll tell you what, no one is more tired than a black lab that has not done anything all day. Let's get all this trash out of here. I might take the metal tub to the scrapyard, but sometimes the juice isn't worth the squeeze. It's time to start demoing out this linen closet. The whole goal is to open up the space to get a bigger bathroom vanity in here, since this is the primary bathroom that serves the 3 bedrooms on the main level. And there you go, bathroom demo almost complete. You can see how much more open this area is by pushing back that closet 12 inches. It'll either be open shelves or a closet door there. I'm not sure yet. And that's a wrap of day 2 of demo. You can see just how much trash I have in the garage after 2 days of demo. And once again, I couldn't have done it without my right-hand man, Django. Does he deserve extra treats tonight, or was he sleeping too much on the job? Let me know in the comments below.